We often think of ourselves as independent thinkers who make our own decisions, but the truth is, we're heavily influenced by people around us. From the products we buy to the opinions we hold, we tend to conform to social norms and follow the crowd. But what happens when this desire to fit in leads us down a path we don't truly believe in? In this 3-part video, we'll explore the effects of joining the majority and how it can impact our lives. The story of Fyodor Shaliapin. To illustrate how the desire to conform can affect our choices, we'll look at the story of Fyodor Shaliapin, a famous opera singer. Despite growing up in poverty, Shaliapin pursued his passion for singing and became a beloved performer, receiving critical acclaim for his roles in major operas. However, his first performance at La Scala in Milan, Italy, could have been disastrous if he had given in to the demands of the claqueurs, individuals who were paid to cheer or boo performers. The claqueurs tried to disrupt Shaliapin's performance, but he refused to pay for the applause, instead presenting his artistic creation to the public. The claqueurs were impressed and gave him a sincere and thunderous applause. The effects of joining the majority. Shaliapin's story illustrates the effect of joining the majority, where individuals conform to social norms, beliefs, or behaviors to avoid being excluded from a group. This tendency can have a significant consequence on our decisions, as we may be influenced to make choices that go against our beliefs or values. Of groupthink is a related concept, where a group's desire for consensus leads to faulty decision-making. It's important to recognize that we're conforming to social norms and to evaluate whether our choices are truly our own. By understanding the effects of joining the majority, we can make more informed decisions and avoid the negative consequences of groupthink. Understanding the majority effect. The tendency to imitate the actions or beliefs of other people can be explained by the majority effect, where a person does certain things because others do, regardless of their own beliefs. The effect can be seen in the attachment effect, where the preference for a product increases as more people buy it, potentially violating the traditional laws of supply and demand. However, it's important to note that this effect can also be driven by valuable information that we gain from others. It's essential to be aware of our own thought processes and to analyze why we hold certain beliefs or opinions. By doing so, we can avoid becoming victims of stereotype thinking and manipulation. Joining the majority can have significant consequences on our lives, as illustrated by the story of Fyodor Shaliapin and the practice of claqueurism. The phenomenon of groupthink can also impact our decisions and cause us to make choices that go against our beliefs or values. By understanding the effects of joining the majority and being aware of our own beliefs and values, we can make more informed decisions and avoid the negative consequences of groupthink. Remember to take a step back before making important decisions and ask yourself if you truly believe in the choices you're making. Thank you for joining us for this 3-part video on the effects of joining the majority. If you like our content, please like and subscribe and hit the notification button. We hope to see you again soon. Thank you.